Today I'd like to show you a brand new tool built into microinverter called the balance tool, and I just recently released version 2.0. Let me show you how this works. So like me, sometimes at the end of the month you don't balance. You're off by 10, 20 cents, $3, and you scroll back up through the balances on the right, and you're looking at your bank statement trying to find out where your balance is actually matched and trying to find out what transaction you're off, what you're missing. Sometimes you print it off and you start crossing it off with a pen, trying to find where you're off. And this balance tool helps to make that a lot easier. In this case, we're going to balance an entire 7 months. So first off, we're going to balance January 2024 to the end of July 2024. So first off, find where we're going to start, which is right here. Now you do have to balance the previous, you have to start where you last balanced. So in fact, I balanced on December 29th, 2023. So what you want to do is write down that number. There it is. Now, you go up here to print and print off the check register of the entire period in which you're going to be trying to balance your accounts. In this case, it's going to be January 1st through July 31st. Now we're going to do file and print to a comma file, and we're going to overwrite this file. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and open up the converter and load our transactions from the bank. The bank does have to give you the transaction list of the days you want to balance. In my case, they still gave me 2024. So we're going to load 2024. And then you simply go up here to Bank Account Balance Tool, and we're going to give it our starting balance from before. What you'll notice now is that the bank is on the left and QuickBooks is on the right. We're now going to go ahead and load our QuickBooks data by going up here, and then we'll go down here and just load our QuickBooks data. Now this is going to pop up and say we're missing these transactions. Actually, for me, these two, this was at the bank, and then in part of that deposit, 100 of which got returned to me. So these two are never going to match. So you're going to notice that the green lines indicate where you balanced and where you stopped balancing. So if you look right here, we can actually put a check mark in the ones that we already have. 2140. Now you're going to notice that it said we missed a transaction on 3/7/2024 from QuickBooks. So QuickBooks is actually missing this square transaction. So what you do in that case is open up your QuickBooks, add it in there, fix it, and come over and fix it over here. Add transaction. So let's add it to this list now. 03, 07, 2024. Description, square, and now our total is going to be 92.45. You'll notice that when I hit OK, that the program keeps balancing, keeps going down the list until it stopped again. Let's see, 2091, 2091, 673, 313, 3, 2461, 2462, 52, Culligan Water. So this one should be 2461. Fix it in QuickBooks, fix it here, press enter, calculates it, and it keeps on balancing. Now we're only off by 90 cents in our account. And let's do that one, 7505, 7595 Mid-American Energy. We're off by 90 cents. And now it says balanced. Balanced is obviously when and this is the bank, when its total matches your total. So what we're going to do now is actually open up my actual QuickBooks, the one that I actually use and didn't fudge the numbers on. And you're going to notice that my actual July 31st is $47,954.03. We just balanced our book in that amount of time. Now, obviously, I kind of knew where those problems were at because I created them. But still, seeing them side by side, unchecking them side by side, seeing where you stopped balancing, I think that is going to make it a breeze to balance your balance every month, balance a year or 2 years, depending on how much how far back your bank gives you transactions in QBO or CSV format. But that has just been a demonstration of the balance tool, which is a new tool inside the CSV to QBO IIF converter.